Hi everyone, I'm going to make a mushroom bracelet, and I'm going to use these. I'm going to show you how to put one of these on so you don't have to see me struggle to put them on. These are going to be short little videos, hopefully, depending on how well I can hang on to a jump ring. But yeah, I like mushrooms. They're pretty. Well, most of them are. Some that are a little weird looking in the wild, but they're good on a pizza. If I can find the edge of this. Let's find the opening. Right there. And open it up. And we don't want it to go dead center because I only have 6. So let's see. About here is a guess. Put that on. Try to walk it around so I get a little bit more. There. Alright, we've got a mushroom on. And I'll put the rest of the charms on and I'll be back. Probably better not to use the 5mm. I didn't want them to show that much, but you could probably get by with 6, maybe 7. Let's see how it's not so huge. I don't know. Maybe I chose wrong for that size, but I already bought a huge bag of them, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'll be back. I'll put these on, and then we'll do these, and I'll show you how to do the head pin and everything. All right. I've got some already on there that I had made up. Okay, I'll be right back. And I'm trying to figure out what I've got strung up and what I don't. That's a lot of them that I don't have strung up. I don't know that we'll need that many because of how big the charms are. So I really don't think we'll need that many. So these charms are big. Anywhere there's a gap, I'll put. That's probably enough. Probably won't need these beads, but we'll see. That's the idea. We'll just space them out. And, yeah, I've got some that I thought I had put in the bag to do that were frogs, but I don't know. Maybe I didn't. I like frogs. We have little tree frogs here at night. You can hear them chirping. They quit chirping whenever it's raining, so I guess they don't. I guess they go hide in the rain. I don't know. We're going to put it on the same side as our charm. And then we're going to close her up. And all we did was make a loop. You take your head pin, put your bead on, and make sure it don't fall off the bottom. I think I've got some head pins that need smaller beads. Yeah, I always test them. And if they're too small, then take it and put a seed bead underneath it so it don't fall through. But we'll take it, cut it off about a 1/2 inch, and then we'll roll it back, and roll it over. I don't know that I'm going to need that, so I'm not wasting the head pin on it. But that's all you'll do to it, is make a little loop. Because I think I've got plenty for this one. These charms are big. So, we'll open up another one. And I'm not going to make you sit through me opening up jump rings. Because I think that's going to be boring. But I just want to give you some ideas of different charm bracelets you can make for somebody starting out. Never really made charm bracelets up until now. I've always wanted to. So, go there. I like the way they jingle whenever you wear them. Alright. I think we'll just keep on going through there and adding charms, or adding beads on. And if we need more, we've got a few extra laid out that we can use, but I don't think we will with how big these charms are. If they were little, we might need more. And I'll be back after I get them all put on there. I got all the beads put on. I think it turned out kind of pretty. I like mushrooms. And they're really good on pizza. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.